Hi, I'm Jer. Welcome to Kill-Divill, where we focus on rum and cocktails. Today we are going to make a Vanilla Daiquiri. To make this drink, I'm going to start with the syrup, the vanilla syrup. 1 ounce of vanilla syrup is 30 milliliters. 3/4 of an ounce of fresh squeezed lime juice. 3/4 of an ounce is 22.5 milliliters. Then 2 ounces of rum. 2 ounces is 60 milliliters. Add your ice and give it a shake. I'm going to single strain this into my Anderson Ancestral Coupe. If you don't have an Anderson Ancestral Coupe, you can use a Coupe of your own. And garnish. Traditional garnish for a daiquiri would be a lime wheel. I'm not going to garnish this one actually. Use a lime wheel if you like. I'm just going to drink this as is. And there you have it, Vanilla Daiquiri. Drink with good spirits.